Hey, this is CF Guy, and this is a quick and dirty video on how to rope climb. This video is right for you if you've never climbed a rope and you need to get up on a rope today. This video is not right for you if you're looking for all the fancy stuff like the J's and the C's and the Spanish wraps and all that. Go to WOD Prep and listen to a video by Ben, okay? This is a quick and dirty how to get on a rope. All right, step one, you gotta caffeinate. Step two, you need to check yourself before you wreck yourself. If you don't have one of these on, you are gonna have bruises, you're gonna have scrapes. If you're a master's athlete like me, you're probably gonna perish. So you need to put something on like a standard knee sleeve, and that's gonna protect you as you go. Step three, the main reason people don't get up on the rope is because they feel like they're gonna fall down and die. So, what you need to do is to get a great foot clamp. Now, a great foot clamp starts like this. You're gonna put your right foot to the left side of the rope. Get the center of your foot in line with that rope, and you're gonna slice over to the rope. Get your left foot on the right side of the rope in the same orientation. Wrap it around to the top, and you're gonna press down, clamping the feet together. That's gonna secure you. You're not even gonna need your arms, and you'll feel real confident in that clamp. Step four, now you gotta go up that rope. To go up the rope, you're gonna kick your feet up as high as you can toward where your hands are. You're gonna do that clamp that we just talked about, and you're gonna inch on up. To get a rep, you're gonna need to touch that bell or the bar or whatever the standard is. So here's what it looks like when you do a full rope climb. You can jump up, get her done. Now, quick bonus. On the way down, lean her back. That's gonna get you fast down the rope.